Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to line up text. So if you want to line up text, you can use the justify tools or you can use another alignment. As example, we'll click on this paragraph and then you can go to justify tools in paragraph. So in here we have four options: justify low, medium, and high. So if you click justify, it will be set the line up the text in the left and right, or you can use the medium. So this medium, and this is for height. Another option, you can click this paragraph option and will be show for the paragraph dialog box. In general, we have the alignment tools. You can click the drop down menu, and there are a lot of options, like you can set it to left, click OK. This for left, and we set again another like into right, click OK, or you can set as default justify in here, click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to line up text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.